Alright, there we go, boys. Sorry it wasn't working. Had to just go out of the app and come back in. Alright, what's up, guys? What is up? What is up? Got the packs here, box here, ready to go. But as always, we're going to start with the teams. I'll wait for, I think there's 2 or 3 more guys we're waiting on here, just so they don't miss it. If at any point you guys have to leave or something or forget what teams you have, you can just ask me. I'll have it right next to me so I can just let you guys know. Alright, we will roll the dice first. And we have 11. 5 and 6 makes 11. These are the teams that were not taken. And also, before we do this, I have a spot. I took the last spot. If I get one of the 3 teams that were random, the Pelicans, the Grizzlies, or the Lakers, if I end up with one of those 3 teams, I will put all of your guys' spots into the randomizer. Whoever is on top will get whatever team that I ended up with out of those 3, and then you can just trade me whichever team that you want the least, just to make it fair, because that's not fair if I get one of those 3. So, okay, so 11 times on the randomizer. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Had 11 on the dice. 1 more. Here we go. And there is the list. I had spot 4, so that would be 6. I'll put them in the spreadsheet first, and then we can check. Alright, there's the first 10. Then I'll put the next ones in here. Alright, there are the teams. So I'll read them off. A1 with the Hawks, Thunder, Raptors. GC with the Warriors, Lakers, and Trailblazers. Matt with the Mavs, the Nets, and the Magic. Oh yeah, it's blurry. Okay, I'll just put it closer so you guys can see. Is that better? Let me know if anyone can't read that. So where was I? Matt with the Mavs, Nets, Magic. I got the Wizards, Sixers, Bucks. Big Blue with the Knicks, Spurs, Pelicans. GC with the Celtics. Is it actually... Can you not see anything? Alright. Okay, then GC with the Celtics, Kings, Pacers. And then with the Bulls, Nuggets, and Grizzlies. Cracked on Ice with the Cavs, Clippers, and Rockets. Okay, cool. And then J-Rad with the Heat, Timberwolves, Hornets, and GC with the Pistons, Jazz, and Suns. Alright, so like I said, if you guys forget who you had or just have a question about what teams you had, just let me know and I can tell you. So we will get this set up here. Got to get the mat out. Alright. So we got 3 there. And 4. 7. And then we got the box right there. Alright, just got to get the gloves on and then we're set to go. GC, yeah, you had the Lakers and you got the Grizzlies. And a bunch of other teams that I can tell you later. Alright. Yeah, if you have any other questions about what other teams you got, just let me know. What's up, Tampa Cards fan? How's it going? Just about to run this Mosaic break. Alright, I think we're ready. Just going to get the top loaders and stuff ready in case we pull some major heat. Pulled that Zion Orange Reactive out of one of these in the last break. Didn't get a whole lot out of the cellos, but hoping that we can change that in this one, since they all were from the same box, except for a few of them. Alright. I think we are ready. We'll start with the cell packs. What's up, Bulldog 8? Good luck, everyone. Kay Lacey, what is up? We're just getting ready to start the break. Actually, we already did. I have a feeling that there's a monster in here. We've not pulled Ja in quite some time now, so I think we're due for that. Alright, 3 more of the cellos to open and then we can start it up. If at any point you guys can't see or it gets blurry or something, just let me know. Yeah. Alright, last one here. And then we will get into it. Alright. There are the pink packs. And alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck. Alright. Starting off with Ricky Rubio, Grayson Allen, Rudy Gay, Cat, Terrence Ross, and Bol Bol. Slesser Sports Cards, what's going on? Osman, Isaac, we got a green of Luke Kennard for the Pistons. That goes to GC. Tracy McGrady and Wilt Chamberlain. Brooke Lopez, Dennis Schroeder, Zach Collins, and Bradley Beal, green. Giannis got game, and Karl Malone. Taj Gibson, the GOAT. We pulled his Genesis out of the last one. Greatest Nick of all time. Aaron Baines, Mason Plumlee, Taurean Prince. There's a LeBron for you, GC. You got game. Nice LeBron there. And then a Kevin Porter Jr. rookie. And that one goes to Cracked on Ice. I'll sleeve this LeBron up for you. A decent start there. Decent. Alright. Dante DiVincenzo, Tobias Harris, Siakam, Larry Bird green. That's a cool looking card for GC. Breaker Brothers, what's up? Scottie Pippen, and another Larry Bird. You can start that rainbow too, GC. Maybe we can pull the pink one and the orange one for you. And you will be on your way. Sadaransky, Austin Rivers, we have a silver in here. Markelle Fultz, Kemba, and a debut Taco Fall, silver, followed by Keldon Johnson. Well, you just hit the other GOAT, GC. I see that he's working on a step back 3, so the league better be ready for that. They had better be ready for that. Once he gets minutes, it's over. It is over. It's kind of dark. Sorry about that, guys. Have my light a little bit back. But yeah, the GOAT. Alright, we still have a decent amount of packs left. That is plenty enough time to pull some more heat. Yeah, I saw a video on ESPN of Taco doing a step back, and it was something to see. Montrezl Harrell, we have another silver here. Another rookie, but it's Talen Horton-Tucker for the Lakers. That one also goes to GC. These silvers look so nice, even if it is Talen Horton-Tucker. Kelly Oubre, Tyus Jones, Devontae Graham. We have a green of Kevin Porter Jr. That is a nice card for cracked ice, or cracked on ice. That is nice. Nice card there. Definitely one of the top 10 rookies, I would probably say, in this class. He was beasting there for a while. KPJ. And then there's DeAndre Hunter and Penny Hardaway. Alright, we're going to do one of these pink packs just to switch it up a little bit. Alright, we got Frank Ntilikina. Not even totally sure how to say that. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and Allen Iverson. Alright, we'll get back into these ones then. Oh man. Yikes. Alright. Eric Gordon, John Wall. We have another silver. Marvin Bagley, Markieff Morris. Oh my goodness. The GOAT. He just doesn't want to leave us alone, I think. And Dylan Windler. He does not want to leave us alone. Taj Gibson. Yeah, that AI looks really nice. Sabonis. We have a silver mosaic in here. Bembry. And it is Harrison Barnes for the Kings. Who is the Kings? GC's got the Kings. And Jarrett Culver for the Timberwolves. Alright, we'll do another one of these. I think I saw a pretty good one in the back, but not sure. Anunoby, Duncan Robinson, and there you go, GC. We got a Steph Curry pink camo. That is nice. Nice looking card. It is the USA version, but I don't know if that makes it better or worse. I do not know. Alright. Troy Brown, Alec Burks. We have a green. DeAndre Bembry, De'Aaron Fox, and Patrick Ewing. Come on, Ja and Zion. And RJ. Harrison Barnes, Bruce Brown. Ooh, we got a... Oh, I saw J.A. and I thought it was Ja. But Jackson Hayes, that was cool looking. For sure. But yeah, I definitely thought that was going to be Ja. Oh, that would have been crazy. Still have plenty of potential for it, though. House of Sports, what's going on? Then there is a Russell Westbrook and a Brandon Clark. All right, we got 2 left of the regular ones. And then I think we have 5 of the pink ones left. Osman, Isaac, Valanciunas, Luka. This one's all scratched up. There's a few lines on there. Oh, I was able to rub one of them off. Yeah, I think I got them out. Yeah, I got them all out. We're all good. We're all good, Matt. There's a Luka for you, my man. Blake Griffin and Quindary Weatherspoon. All right, we are down to the last regular pack from the Sell-It packs. Redick, Seth Curry, CJ, Terry Rozier, Dame Lillard, and Ignas Brazdeikis. All right. On to the 5 pinks. Yeah, I got them out pretty easy, so I think we're all good. We have Mr. COVID-19, Eric Gordon, and Dominique Wilkins. J-Rad, what's up? I think you just joined, so you got the Heat, the Timberwolves, and the Hornets as your teams. Oh, we have this COVID-19 brother, Donovan Mitchell. Denwell House, we have a debut, Jarrett Culver for J-Rad. A top 10 pick rookie pink is not a bad thing to get. Jarrett Culver. GC Sports Card Collector, what is up? All right, we're getting down to it. I think we have 3 of these left. Wow. Damian Jones, Kenrick Williams. GC, we did it again. Sharp shooting, 7'6", Taco Fall, the Beast. He has come back again. Well, now you can just hold on to those, and when he starts scoring like 40 a game, then you can tell everyone else that you knew all along. All right, here we go. We got 2 more. Anthony Simmons, Tyus Jones, Ty Jerome. Okay, so I know Zion follows Ty Jerome, but these are in different packs, so I don't know if that's still true. All right, last pink one here. Hmm. 30 of them. Oh, there you go. There you go, Matt. That's a nice one. That is a nice looking card. Luka Doncic. Luka. That is smooth. I know a lot of people are don't like these jerseys that he's wearing, but I kind of like them. I think they look kind of cool. There you go, Matt. And then the last two here, we got Clint Capella and Cody Martin for the Hornets. All right. That is it for the cello packs. We did decent, I would say. Decent. We hit the GOAT 2 times, so... Alright, we'll just do a little bit of a recap here. Those, we got Luka, Taco, Culver, Jackson Hayes, Silver Mosaic, Stephen Curry, KPJ, Horton Tucker, the GOAT, and then LeBron James. Just kidding, LeBron's probably the GOAT. After MJ and Taco, of course. And Taj Gibson. I forgot about Taj Gibson. Taj Gibson is the true GOAT. The true GOAT. Alright, well, I lost my box cutter somewhere in here. The trusty old Ripper here. The Beast. Alright, here we go. On to the hanger box, if I can even cut this. Alright, here we go. One pack in there. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Alright, we'll do the oranges last, like we did the last time. There's my man Admiral. I'm going to be doing a huge mail day coming up soon. Probably like close to 25 packages, I think. So stay tuned for that. And I'll probably have another break next week. But that's besides the point. We'll keep going here. Kobe White, that's a nice one. Kobe White for GC. Okay, well, Pack Mountain is starting to take place over here. So I'm trying to grab the sleeves down here. Alright. Kobe White. I think this kid's going to be a beast. He has some nasty passes, and dude can shoot the three. The Bulls definitely had a steal of a pick there for sure. Alright, Terrence Mann. Big O. Donovan Mitchell. Stephen Curry for GC. Luke Kennard. Karis LeVert. Van Vliet, Schroeder. Oh, man. We are just getting lucky tonight, boys. Getting lucky. Aaron Baines. I think that's the variation. That is definitely the variation of Ja Morant. That is a huge card right there. GC. Let's go. That is the variation base of Ja Morant. Because the regular base... He's in that throwback uni. That's a huge card right there. That is sweet. That is awesome. That's the first one of those I've pulled, so that's cool. Alright, getting back into the rest of the pack. Wow, that's sweet. Jason Tatum green. That one's a nice looking card. The Celtics color. Jimmy Bucket. Larry Nance. Come on, rookies. Big Vic. Robert Covington. Allen Iverson. And Scottie Pippen. Silver Mosaic. Wow, not a single rookie color in that one. That is odd. But, hey, we did pull the variation, and that is a big card. That is a big, big card for GC. Scottie Pippen. Alright, I will do a little bit of a recap here. Okay, so we have a stack of base right here. Stack of base. These are the... Nothing crazy, but that Tatum's nice for GC. Um, yeah, I guess we'll show this one again. I'll show this one again. Yeah, that Tatum green looks really nice with the green on it. Yes, the Tatum green looks nice with the green on it. That is what I said. Yeah, this one is sweet. Very sweet. I was not expecting that at all. But yeah, that's pretty much that's everything. So yeah, like I said, probably forgot about that Luca too. Yeah, so I'm probably going to be doing another break next week, depending. I was thinking of doing the Prism retail, the retail box. That would probably be like 40 a spot. Might do some fillers for that. Prism retail's kind of expensive, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, that was a clutch pull for sure, GC. Now you don't have to. Now you got your own. Yeah, so we'll probably do Prism retail. Like I was saying, it's probably be the next break, unless somehow I get lucky at Walmart, but probably not. So I'll be sending pictures individually to you guys, like always. Break will be up on YouTube probably tomorrow. And I think that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for joining, and we will see you guys next time.